So the first thing you want to do is locate your marketing kit, plastic tied on the back of the machine. Once you open the marketing kit, in there you will find a handle, the square drive adapter, and then a 3/8 socket. Pull the handle out of the box. Next, grab the square drive adapter. Now you'll notice there's a sharp end on there. When you insert it, you want to be able to hear an audible click. Then next, take the 3/8 socket, install on the end of that. Now your torque tool is ready to use. Grab your torch body, install the water tube. By depressing, you'll hear a small little click. Make sure that it's seated. Next, take the quick lock electrode, insert that, give it a small quarter turn with your fingers. Lastly, grab the pre-calibrated torque tool, insert on the end of the electrode, and turn it until you hear an audible click. That ensures that it's torqued properly. If you do not receive your pre-calibrated torque tool from your marketing kit, contact your cutting table manufacturer.